Chelsea. You got it. Hey, Lena. Are you recording? Maybe. Oh, I see. They're like, hey! I'm sorry. I was trying to zoom out. There is a yellow car that just passed. Take the camera, I'm gonna wash. I'm gonna wash. I'm gonna wash. I'm gonna wash. Wash? Yeah.
Cloverfield! Cloverfield, what are you dancing?
No, okay. Why, hello there.
Oh my god, look like something else.
Well, let's just zoom in right now. That's nice. Very nice. How much? Alright. I'm done with this.